Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Let's go with the second presentation. And she's studying grade 7 in New Carmel Public School. And her hobbies are playing and dancing and singing. And his goals and her goals are to become a doctor as well as about which is displayed here. And about her favorite food is milk rice and her our favorite quote is travel with happiness, and this shows she is very interested in traveling. So let's welcome Ahalya on the stage. Ahalya, National Unity Day, Ahalya, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you, Mithun, for introducing me. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Myself, Ahalya. Today, my topic is National Unity Day. I'm starting my speech with quote: "Alone, you are a drop, but in a team, we form an ocean."
Wow.
Happy National Unity Day. Information about National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated in India on 31st October. It was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who had a major role in the political integration of India. What is the story of Unity Day? This day was decided and introduced by the central government of India in New Delhi in 2014 in order to observe the birth anniversary of Patel every year as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It aimed to pay tribute to him for his great efforts made to unite India.
Unite India.
Unite India. Next. What is the theme of National Unity Day of 2023?
What is the
Theme.
THEM theme? Okay.
Theme of National Unity Day of 2023.
Okay.
The National Unity Week will be held from October 25 to 31st, 2023 as part of Meri Desh.
Meri
Yeah.
Mati.
Nice. Meri Mati Meri Desh campaign which aims to honor the courage freedom warriors who gave their life in defense of our freedom and to propagate the message of national unity and the spirit of Rashtriya Ekta. Next. Importance of National Unity Day. On National Unity Day, swearing programs are held by the Indian government. On the National Unity Day, everyone comes together to show respect to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has a vision for the best India educational institution, organizing various events such as quiz competitions, speeches, and many more for students on the National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the inspiration personalities in India.
Okay.
This is a big statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Questions, having 3 questions, 3 person can answer. One question.
First one, Mera Mati, Mera Desh.
Yes.
What do you want me to answer this? Information about it is also called the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Day. That is his birthday in 1875, 31st of October. We celebrate that.
Last one. We celebrate National Unity Day because everyone should get the equality and also every people should be united and at peace.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for saying the answers. So nobody said what is the story of Unity Day.
You can tell that.
Yeah. Yeah. Story of Unity Day. This day was decided and introduced by the central government of India in New Delhi in 2014 in order to observe the birth anniversary of Patel every year as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It aimed to pay tribute to him for his great efforts made to unite India. I'm ending my speech report. When I is replaced with V, even the illness become wellness. Happy National Unity Day on advance to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna, for your giving wonderful speech and said about team and about you said about team as well as story and about information. So it was a wonderful speech. Thank you.
Okay.